honest for a second. Do you ever look into a mirror and think, okay, I don't even look that bad? But the second someone takes a photo of you, it's suddenly a crisis. You avoid selfies, you hate being tagged, and you're wondering why your face card is not hitting. So let's fix it. And no, I'm not about to tell you to drink water and sleep more. That's just basic human survival, not a glow up. Your face card isn't about being born perfect. It's about contrast, harmony, and confidence. Two people can have the same features. One looks forgettable, and the other looks insane. The difference, they know how to make their face work for them, not against them. So I'm breaking down exactly why your face card might not be hitting, and how to fix it in ways that actually make a difference. Part 1. Your face lacks contrast. Let's start with something no one talks about enough: contrast. If everything on your face blends together, for an example, same toned brows, lashes, lips, hair, your features disappear. That doesn't mean you need dramatic makeup. It means you need definition. Think about it. Slightly darker brows frame your face. Lashes create a shadow around the eyes. A lip color that's just a bit deeper than your natural lips adds life. This is why people say you look tired when you're not. It's not tired, it's low contrast. And before you panic and grab heavy makeup, relax. Even tiny tweaks, tinted brow gel, lash mascara, lip liner, these things can wake up your face. Your goal isn't bold, your goal is intentional. Part 2. Your hair just might be doing half the damage. I'm gonna say it. Your hair can either carry your face card or cancel it entirely. You could have clear skin and perfect eyebrows, but if your hair is damaged, then you're cooked. But don't worry, girl, because we're going to fix it together. First, undertones matter. Warm undertones, honey, golden, soft browns. Cool undertones, ash, espresso, jet black. But honestly, if you really want, you could pull off both. Second, texture matters. A haircut that looks insane on Pinterest might look tragic on your hair type. Straight hair, curly hair, thick hair, fine hair, they all sit differently on the face. Your hair isn't just hair, it's literally the frame of your face. When the frame is wrong, the picture could look off, even when the picture itself is beautiful. Part 3. Skin and teeth. Let's talk about the quiet thing that matters way more than people admit. Skin doesn't need to be flawless. It needs to look healthy. That means clean, moisturized, and calm. Not cakey, not overdone. Healthy skin reflects light, and that alone upgrades your entire face. Same thing with teeth. They don't need to be blinding white. They just need to look clean and cared for. Bad skin days and slightly yellow teeth won't decline your face card, but you know what will? Neglect will. Clean over perfect, always. Part 4. Your expression might be holding you back. Okay, this part changes everything. Some people are gorgeous, but they tense their face constantly. Clenched jaw, forced smiles, eyes that look unsure. Confidence shows up within your expression, not just your features. Relaxed face, soft eyes, calm posture. That's why some people photograph insanely well. They're not fighting their face. Your face card improves when you stop trying so hard to look pretty. Start letting your features exist naturally. Part 5. The confidence switch. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You can do everything right. The hair, the brows, the skin, the teeth. But if you still act like you're not attractive, your face card won't hit. Your face card isn't just how you look, it's how you carry yourself as well. Confidence doesn't come after the glow up, it comes before, and the glow up follows. You don't wait to feel confident, you decide to move like you already are, and that's the switch. So no, long story short, your face card is not broken. It's just waiting to be refined. fix the contrast, fix the framing, fix the way you carry yourself, and I promise you, your face card will start hitting different. If this helped you, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you are beautiful. Thank you for watching.